After I left politics in 1990, I was reappointed as a professor of law at this university, and I taught here for one semester a year and another semester in the year at the University of Iowa. I rejoined the law faculty in 1991 after I left politics. I'd been a law professor before I went into politics here. The thing about a law faculty is it's a community of scholars, and what you get is interchange and discussion discussion about matters of great importance. The rule of law, how law functions in our society. It's a foundation of our democratic system, the rule of law, and a law faculty is at the heart of that, and I've always enjoyed that. Given Wellington and the fact that it's the capital city, this law faculty is perfectly situated with the beehive just over our shoulder here to understand how the law and government interact and how they work. The whole of the New Zealand government was conducted from these buildings in the 19th century. Richard John Seton, who served, I think, as the longest serving Prime Minister, had a cabinet of 8 people, and most of the civil servants were in here as well. Now that means that it has an enormous history, and continuity and tradition are quite important to the law, and this building itself is a symbol of New Zealand's past, but it's also part of New Zealand's future because we are training lawyers here. There are 14,000 lawyers in New Zealand. It's a very significant and big industry. For many people it's a mystery, but the purpose of a law school is to demystify it. I was a student here in 1960, that's when I enrolled, and law was regarded then as a second-rate sort of discipline. Serious people didn't go into law offices, they didn't go downtown after their first year and work in law offices as most of the law students did then. There was only, I think, one woman in the law class that I was in. Now there's a predominance of females in the law student body. Things have changed enormously. But what hasn't changed is the teaching. And the essence of a law school is twofold. 1, teaching, 2, research. They are both interrelated. You can't have one without the other. And my eternal memory is that I got a fine education here. It stimulated me to think, to be curious, and to quest for something better. And that is the debt that I owe to this law faculty.